नमस्कार दोस्तों, जैसे कि आपको पता है अभी किट टूर्नामेंट्स हमारा डिक्लेयर हो चुका है। हमारे मिस्टर प्रेसिडेंट ने डिक्लेयर कर दिया 16 और 17 जनवरी को। और सभी लोगों के बीच में एक्साइटमेंट है कि किड्स टूर्नामेंट के शेड्यूल कब पब्लिश होंगे और व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़ दैट विल बी देयर। सो उन्हीं सब की जानकारी लेने के लिए आइए बात करते हैं हमारे टेनिस एसोसिएशन के प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर पंकज जी से। पंकज जी, प्लीज़ कम। पंकज जी, सबसे पहले थैंक यू, आपने इतने सुबह हमें टाइम दिया और आप एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट ले रहे हैं बच्चों को बताने के लिए और इस टूर्नामेंट को अरेंज करने के लिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ कंप्लीट एसोसिएशन। सो पंकज जी, सबसे पहले ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो सभी लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि हमारा शेड्यूल कब पब्लिश होगा।
शेड्यूल सबसे पहले तो आई वुड लाइक टू विश एवरीवन हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू डियर पेरेंट्स एंड लवली किड्स and it's very auspicious occasion in the start of the year that tennis association has come up with this tournament format for kids. That's very important because last month of last year we had senior people and including R2 R3 doublesman tournament which was well applauded and had a great success, gala success, and so we came up with this approach. And I appreciate all the parents who have taken initiative to nominate their kids. Also the association members, especially Vikas ji, Nimish ji, Sachin ji, Vamsi ji, and who all rest of the people are associated with this. Himanshu ji, they are taking a lot of extra effort to make this again a success story in R2 and R3 diaries in terms of organizing the tournament. So regarding the schedule, I come back to the points. Regarding the schedule, it will be published by end of day today, and you hopefully would like to see the match schedules, the timings, and whereabouts R2 R3 combination, because there are two courts. We have split the tournament in two, so you will be able to see your kid's name in which day, which timing, which slot he would be playing. So make yourself available accordingly. Go through the schedule carefully, and because the alteration to that is very difficult now, so that will be published today. So that's the confirmation from tennis association so far we have got.
थैंक यू वेरी मच। अच्छा पंकज जी, एक और बात बताइए कि अभी सभी एसोसिएशन के कोर टीम मेंबर्स बात हो रही थी, यू आर आल्सो अरेंजिंग वन स्पेशल टूर्नामेंट ऑफ अनदर गेम। थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में बताइए।
So that's a surprise element which has come through the minds of association people, and I think it will encourage the kids. They will have enthuse about it. The tournament is about the skipping event. We will held up on the last day, the grand finale day, and where every kid will get 3 chances to make an attempt to the maximum skipping. The kid who will make the maximum skipping in those chances will get a special prize from the association. So that's the element we have brought into this tournament, along with apart from the tennis event, which is definitely going to start on 16th and conclude on 17th. And also guys, there will be snacks, there will be light music will be arranged, the live commentary will be arranged. So we urge all the parents and the kids to have the same momentum going on, to have the same encouragement in participation and enthusiasm shown on the court. So we will take this story again success in the diaries of R2 and R3 tennis events. So that's all about from all of us, and we again welcome you to the R2 R3 Aspire Tennis Association events. And I am grateful to the members again, association members who are coordinating and arranging such a event at a big scale, and we will take it from there going forward as well. So that's all from us. Have a good day, and looking forward to your encouraged participation throughout the event. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
One special arrangement that Mr. President forgot to tell us, that he has requested our Rishi sir to organize a special training for all the participants, children who are taking part in this event, and they can come between 4:30 to 7 o'clock at R3 court tomorrow to have a special training. If they want to learn or some kind of special tricks from Rishi sir, it's completely free of cost. The course is completely borne by our president and team association. So please come there, and thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.